Just so you get an idea of how hot it is, 110, bro. And my boy is sitting outside selling stuff. I only have it as a 20, but I'm gonna just give it to him. I don't want nothing. I just want to give this to you.
Get it?
No, I don't want nothing. This is for you. It's for you. No, I'm good. I'm good. You're good. Of course. My boy's out here, bro, working. When I left my house right now, I saw him looking at my car and he liked it. So I don't know, I had to go back, give him some money. I wish I had more cash on me, but all I had was a 20. I felt bad, bro. It's 110 out here and this dude's outside. I don't know, hopefully that $20 bill could hopefully make his day a little shorter. So he doesn't have to be out here this long. Damn, that shit's hot. Isn't that crazy, guys? You guys don't ever see like a Mexican. I'm Mexican too, bro, but you don't ever see like a Mexican like begging for money, bro. He's working for his money. Like I said, hopefully that 20 bucks could cut his day shorter if he has to like meet like a deadline or something. I don't know how it works, but hopefully. Raspala did sound good though. I should have got one. Sheesh. Look at this, guys. We just made it to this car event right now. So freaking late, but we made it. GTR's looking good. I know, the color looks really good right here, guys.
We should put ours next to each other to bring it around.
I'm down.
Mine's midnight purple.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
GTR?
Yeah.
The color looks really good right now. It's like the perfect time of day. Look at this, guys. Another purple GTR. This one's midnight purple. This color is sick. It's way more darker than mine. Now you guys can see. You guys can see the difference. His car is way more darker than mine. Mine's not midnight purple, but like purple shades. Oh shoot. There's a lot of sick cars. Look at it. R34. No way. I like the color.
Thank you, bro.
This color is nice. Sheesh. This thing is sick, guys. Wide body Porsche. We saw this thing on a freeway right now. It's insane. You don't know what that is? Emily, please. It doesn't have no logos.
Yeah, I need a logo.
It's an R34 GTR. I don't know if it's the GTR, but yeah. See, I think it's just the GT or something. I don't know. I'm not too familiar, but it's like the R34 body style.
If it says on the back, I would've known.
Sick. I like that car a lot. Oh my god. Look at these seats, guys. What is this? I don't know about these seats, guys. Should we do Emily's Tesla like that? They got the dash too. Guys, look at this. It looks like the homie Chris's car. I think it's the same color that he has. Emily thought it was Chris. What? Man, bro. Oh my god, this thing is sick. Sexy 240. Wow, this thing is badass, bro. And it's super clean. Oh my god. Sorry for the music. The music's so loud here, guys. We got the Spanish music. There's no way they're bumping this at the car show right now. This is Tanner Fox's old Lambo. I think he just sold it. Twin turbo Huracan with the Liberty Walk wide body kit, which is pretty crazy. Where the twin turbo's at? Somewhere in here. I think he made like over 1,000 horsepower. What's up with the music, bro? There's no way they're playing this. I'm about to get copyrighted, bro. Look at these Porsches, guys.
Should I do baby pink for my Tesla?
Blue and pink.
I should do baby pink Tesla.
You should do pink. That would be kind of cool.
Baby pink like that.
Watch. Emily doesn't know what this is for sure. What is that one? Emilia, you have to know what this car is.
I need the logo.
You don't need the logo. I always tell you. Stop trying to find the name.
NSX? Why do I always...
Why do you think everything's NSX?
I don't know, because it's the only thing
You know what it is. I've told you before. Small.
What's the brand?
It's a Mazda. Uh-oh. RX-7.
RX-7.
Dang, she almost got it. She keeps getting NSXs and RX-7s confused. Look, RX-7s. I want one of these so bad too.
Oh,
They're
look,
so nice.
Look.
Oh, there's Emily. What is that?
GTR.
What kind?
Skyline.
R32.
Oh.
But you're right, yeah, everything's right. There's
All
an R32.
GTRs are Skylines, aren't they?
Yeah, you can say that. Guys, if you think about it, like, we know a lot about cars. And for her, it's like a whole different language, bro.
Anything. It's hard, and it's hard for me to keep up with every little thing.
Every model and everything. No, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's actually crazy how like a lot of us car guys know everything and every model and every number. Like, it's crazy. What's even crazier is her little brothers know all that
That's
stuff
what I was
too.
gonna say. It's crazy how my little brothers know.
And they're 6. Look at this, guys. M4. That's beautiful. That lip is nice. And that hood, bro. We're gonna find your favorite car here. What is it?
This is it.
There's no way. Don't be a basic girl. I mean, every girl's gonna say her car. And it's a convertible. That shit ugly.
It's ugly?
All right, come on. I know.
What is that?
Do it now.
Come on, please.
Push-up contest. And
NSX.
Donuts and wheels.
You got it right. Look at it. It looks different, no?
Yeah, it does look
It probably looks the same to her.
That's cool. Like, imagine in a Tesla.
She wants this color so bad, guys. It's like a white gray, but it has that purple hue in it.
That's what it's called.
What's up, bro? Oh shit, what's up? Nice seeing you again, bro. Yes or no, guys? Do we wrap the Tesla in this color?
It's cute.
Look at purple,
it's girly,
gray.
You know? Cute for a girl.
Wow, guys, look at this one. F80 M3. It's so clean.
This one's really nice.
Even to his engine bay. Look at his engine bay, how beautiful it is. Wow, this thing has a lot of mods done to it. You got the lip, some canards, the whole engine bay, a bunch of titanium everywhere. Wheels, tires, even lugs, dude. This dude did a lot of stuff to his F80. Damn, and his stick shift, steering wheel. Damn it, bro, I really want one so bad. Look at the interior, how nice it is.
This is really nice.
So sick.
Get one like that.
I'm trying to find one, guys. This is a carbon fiber gas cap. That's kind of sick. It's cute? Alright, I'm not doing it. It's sick though. F80s are just so beautiful, guys. They're so nice.
Hey, I think that's my favorite car.
This?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Her favorite car is the F80, guys.
BMW.
I know.
Like, I do.
If you guys don't know, Emily had a BMW. She had like a, what was it? Grand Coupe? Grand Sport? I don't know what it was. A 4 Series.
Yeah.
And she crashed it.
Last October.
Do you have the video still?
Video of what?
Like of the crash, how the car looked.
No, it's on my old phone.
I think it's in my messages, but if I can find it, guys, I'll put it on the screen. She totaled her BMW.
No,
She almost killed
I
herself.
got really lucky. Like, I came out with a bruise on my arm.
She almost died, guys. This is my homie Chris's car. This thing is sick. Probably one of my favorite wide body FRS BRZs. It's just so simple, bro. All black, barely any stickers, and just some nice wheel set, and just a nice wheel setup.
A Red Bull GTR.
This thing is sick. This is actually the homies. Air Ride Equipment. These guys actually installed my airbags on my E92 when I first got my car. I knew nobody in the car scene, but they bagged my car. This thing looks sick though. Look at the wrap. That is an insane wrap, bro. Guys, look how sick this Supra is. The wheel setup. Shit's so clean. Wow, bro. Oh my god, look at this engine bay. So nice and clean. Look, you can literally lick his engine bay. That's how clean it is. Look at Emily. I didn't even see this one. Look, another Supra. This one's hard. The color, bro. Kind of like my old GTR wrap. The red, it's like a candy red. Damn, that thing is sick. I want a Supra so bad. I want a Supra, I want an RX-7. I want all these old JDMs and R32. Those are like my 3 JDM cars that I want so bad. Another Supra. What, you like these Corvettes? Which one do you like?
I thought my one.
Oh no.
Really nice.
You got Lambo doors on the Vet. I'm not gonna lie though, it kind of looks cool on the C8. Like Lambo doors. I feel like it maybe could have looked OEM. Like they should have came with Lambo doors like that. I feel like the front end just looks kind of exotic, so it matches the doors a little bit.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. It's not like a E92 with Lambo doors. It just wouldn't go. Wide body R32. God damn, bro. This thing definitely has a lot of stuff done to it. Wide body.
I like it.
Wow, the wheels are freaking.
And it's on this side.
Right hand drive. Guys, look at this thing. It might be my wrap. Maybe it's not, but yeah, it's more purple, but it almost looks like my car. Another one that Emily wants.
So cute.
This one looks cooler for some reason. This one looks more purple.
It is cool.
Oh yeah, see, now look at it, this color. It's like blue. Okay, it's a pretty cool wrap, I'm not gonna lie.
Funny.
Guys, I've been seeing this Tesla online, and it's actually sick. Wait till he airs out right now. Sheesh. Must be nice. Emily needs that. The lip is on the floor. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. We out here. We got the GTR out here. We're actually doing another video shoot with a Nosatech. This is my homie Sean. Today we're doing a shoot with a Nosatech again. If you guys remember this video actually it was like 2 years ago maybe. We did a video with my M3 on the Nosatech's YouTube channel. It was like a little owner spotlight. They talk about myself and the wrap color. guys, my name is Nick. I'm 23 years old and this is my E92 M3. But now we got the GTR with the unicorn color and they want to do another owner spotlight, so it's pretty sick. I'm excited. We're gonna do a bunch of slow-mos right here, a bunch of B-roll, rolling shots, and then we have to do the little interview segment, which I'm freaking nervous about. I hate talking in front of the camera, which is really weird because I'm literally vlogging to you guys every single day. But I get super freaking nervous in front of a big camera like that. We even got the merch on to match. If you guys have not copped the merch already, go cop the merch. It's the same color as the wrap. Look at that. Yeah, we got the limited edition merch. We only have a few more left, a few t-shirts, a few hoodies, and a few more stickers left. So if you guys want to cop something, it's shopfindingnick.com. And everyone who did place an order already, your orders are on the way, guys. I promise. I'm sorry for the delay, but I promise I did not forget about you. They're on the way.
I just don't want to get your shot.
No, thank you. Oh. I think we all thought we were gonna get kicked out right now, but he was like, I don't want to get in your shot. This color is insane, but I still am not over this color. It just looks so good. Changes all kinds of colors. Right now it's super sunny, so the car just looks super pink right now. Tell me Sean's really hanging out the car. This dude's crazy. We're doing rollers in this tunnel, trying to shoot flames. But I look over here and look at this E46 just parked right here. It's an M3 too. Damn. I need to do an update video on my E46. I still have it. I did not sell it. Right now it's getting fixed because something happened to it. I'll talk about it on a video soon, but yeah, I still got the E46. I don't think I'll ever sell it. I love that car so much, and that car is actually like a build. You can't just buy another E46 like that again. Like I can sell my GTR, I can sell my E92, and I can buy another E92, another GTR, but you'll never be able to buy another E46 like that ever again, if that makes sense. It's a one of a kind, and yeah, I love that car, guys, and I know a lot of you guys love that car. I'm gonna get that thing up and running soon again so we can make some drifting content. I know you guys love the drifting videos. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to film the best I could. It's kind of hard on these video shoots to film because I'm really focusing on the shots we need to get, and I'm kind of like the stunt driver today. All right, guys, we're at like spot number 3, but look at this. Look at these boats, dude. This is some GTA shit right here. This guy's so rich, he has a garage on his boat where he puts his jet skis. Look at that. That is insane, bro. What do you guys think he does for a living? This has to be millions of dollars, bro. Multiple $1 million boat. Not just $1 million, like a couple, like a few $1 million boat right there. What do you guys think? How about we all pitch in, all my subscribers and myself, let's all pitch in and let's get a boat. Let's all sell all of our cars, all of our houses, and we'll buy one of these and we'll all live on it.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.